So welcome back, guys. We were still in it at the waiting room. So look how beautiful it looks like, the art and everything. So we see a customer here waiting in the waiting room, actually done with everything. Check out the art and everything around here. So check around the curtains. Wow, looking nice and everything. We have also a TV when you, yeah. So let's check out the rooms. All right, let's go. Yeah, one of the corridors here. So let's go to one of the rooms around. So here is one room. Check out the bed and everything. Looking nice. The mirror, the art around. So nice. Yeah, plus a fan whereby, yeah. So let's check out the net. Oh my god, this is so cool. So guys, you're so welcome to see all this. Wow, check out, there is also a couch inside the room and a table whereby you can do your work. Maybe if you have an office and maybe work to do, you can do it here. The fan when it's hot. And here is the bathroom. Yes, it has flip-flops inside, you know, some hotels don't. So I have this beautiful, let's check out the shower. Wow, it also has this that you can also cover. You can also cover it up. The shower, the hand shower also, plus the flushing toilet. Yeah, even the, yeah, so this is one of the rooms. Yeah, thank you for watching. See you again.